Welcome to Motivational Mojo. Today, we're going to talk about motivation using the Dalai Lama's teachings on empathy and compassion. The Dalai Lama is a wise and compassionate leader who has dedicated his life to helping others. He believes that empathy and compassion are essential for leading a happy and fulfilling life. We may ask, what is empathy? The ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. When we empathize with someone, we put ourselves in their shoes and try to see the world from their perspective. Empathy is often seen as the foundation of compassion. Or what is compassion? The desire to relieve the suffering of others. When we are compassionate, we want to help others who are in pain or need. Compassion is often seen as the highest form of human emotion. How can empathy and compassion motivate us? When we remember that everyone is capable of feeling pain and suffering, it can help us to be more understanding and compassionate towards others. This can motivate us to take action to help those who are in need. For example, if we see someone who is homeless, we might be motivated to donate to a homeless shelter or volunteer our time to help those in need. Empathy and compassion can also motivate us to overcome our own challenges. For example, if we are struggling with depression, we might be motivated to seek help from a therapist or counselor. We might also be motivated to reach out to others who are struggling with depression and offer them support. Examples of how empathy and compassion can motivate us. When we see someone who is suffering, we can choose to offer our help. This can make a real difference in their life, and it can also make us feel good about ourselves. When we are faced with a difficult challenge, we can remember that the Dalai Lama has faced many challenges throughout his life, and he has always found a way to overcome them. This can motivate us to keep going, even when things are tough. When we are feeling discouraged, we can remember the Dalai Lama's words. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. This can motivate us to continue to be kind and compassionate, even when it is difficult. Tips for using the Dalai Lama's teachings on empathy and compassion to motivate yourself. Read the Dalai Lama's books and articles on empathy and compassion. This will help you to learn more about the importance of these qualities and how they can motivate you. Watch videos of the Dalai Lama talking about empathy and compassion. This is another great way to learn more about these qualities and how they can motivate you. Practice being more empathetic and compassionate in your own life. This is the best way to see how these qualities can motivate you. Start by paying attention to the people around you and try to understand their feelings. Then, look for opportunities to help others in need. Remember the Dalai Lama's words whenever you are feeling discouraged or challenged. His words can be a source of inspiration and motivation when you need it most. I hope this video has inspired you to be more empathetic and compassionate. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, click on the notification bell to get notified when I post great videos like this. Thank you for watching.